y'all, let's run Kayla's car window sticker. 10 spots, $1 spot. Let's copy our list and go live. At 11:18. It's 11:18. Paste our list. 10 spots. We need a 4 or higher on the dice. We have a 4, that will work. Here we go for the first time at 11:19. After the first time, there are 10 items on the list. Lindsay's on top, Naomi's on bottom. The dice calls for a 4. Here we go at 11:19. 2, 3. After the third time, there are 10 items on the list. Lindsay's on top, Naomi's on bottom. We have randomized 3 times. The dice, 2 2s, call for a 4. Here we go for the last time at 11:19. Good luck, y'all. Alright, after the last time, spot number 4, Naomi, you're the winner. Congratulations. 10 items on the list, and we've randomized 4 times. Dice does call for a 4. We are done at 11:19. 11:19. Congratulations to spot number 4, Miss Naomi.